Here is how to delete your Facebook account. But before we do that, go and hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, so first up, we're going to search up Facebook online. Doesn't matter what browser you have, search up Facebook. Now, once you sign up or sign in, you're going to want to click on the top right corner for your icon, and then click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. Now, once we're in the Settings page on the left side, you're going to see More in Account Center. Click on that. And then from here, we're going to go to Personal Details. Once you're there, click on Account Ownership and Control, and then you can see Deactivation or Deletion. Then click on your name, and then you can press Delete Your Account. Press on Continue, choose one of these options, press Continue, Continue, and then you can press Delete Your Account. Then enter your password, and you will delete your account. If this video helped you, go and comment any questions you have, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.